The requirement for a hot tub disconnect is located in section 680.43e of the National Electrical Code. The disconnect shall be capable of interrupting the current under fault conditions and shall have a horsepower rating not less than 50% of the motor full load current, but not less than 15 amps. Now let's break down each part of this requirement. Firstly, readily accessible means the disconnect must be easily reachable without the use of tools or having to climb over or remove obstacles. This ensures that anyone can quickly shut off power to the hot tub in case of an emergency or for maintenance. Secondly, within sight means the disconnect must be visible from the hot tub. The person operating the disconnect must be able to see the hot tub to ensure that the correct equipment is being de-energized. This is a critical safety measure to prevent accidental shutdowns or startups while someone is working on the tub. Thirdly, not more than 5-foot distance is measured as the shortest path a person could take. Fourthly, each spot or hot tub needs its own disconnect. Each individual hot tub or spa must have its own dedicated disconnect switch. This prevents confusion and ensures that the correct power supply is being interrupted. Fifthly, the disconnect shall be capable of interrupting the current under fault conditions. This means the disconnect switch must be rated to safely interrupt the maximum current that could flow during a fault, such as a short circuit. This prevents the disconnect from being damaged or causing a fire during a fault. Sixthly, horsepower rating. The disconnect shall have a horsepower rating not less than 50% of the motor full load current, but not less than 15 amps. This requirement ensures that the disconnect switch is adequately sized to handle the load of the hot tub's motor and other electrical components. The horsepower rating is based on the motor's full load current, which is the amount of current the motor draws when operating at its rated load. The minimum 15 amp rating ensures that even small hot tubs have a disconnect switch that is capable of handling the load. Let's clarify a common point of confusion. The distance requirement is not more than 5 feet from the tub, and the disconnect must be within sight from the tub. The hot tub disconnect is not required to be within 5 feet of the tub if it is within sight from the tub. If the disconnect is within sight of the hot tub but greater than 5 feet away, that is acceptable. In summary, the National Electrical Code section 680.43e mandates that a readily accessible disconnect must be within sight and no more than 5 feet from the hot tub, capable of interrupting fault currents, and rated appropriately for the motor load, but no less than 15 amps. These rules are important for safety to prevent electrical shock and other dangers. Be sure to check local and other codes for additional requirements.